Special delivery from Paramount Plus to celebrate their new show, From the Cradle to the Stage. Let's see what's inside. So what do we have first? Let's see. It is a box of tea, throat coat. Now that is perfect. Next we have a sugar cookie shaped in an adorable leather jacket. Now that's too cute. Now this is a bottle of Irish Scotch. Here's a little hand towel. Justin's gonna definitely be snagging this from me because he collects those. A bag of blue M&Ms. And some Mother's Day cards. One that's my #1 pick, and Rocker Mom. I know who I'm giving those to. From the Cradle to the Stage is directed by Dave Grohl and inspired by his mother Virginia and her critically acclaimed book, From the Cradle to the Stage, Stories from Mothers Who Rocked and Raised Rock Stars. Thank you Paramount Plus for these beautiful gifts, and guys, watch From the Cradle to the Stage, available exclusively on Paramount Plus.